On today's video on Sanctuary Arms Cafe, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use steel wool and gun oil for an easy and cheap, very good method to removing surface rust from your firearms. Let's get to it. So here's our supplies today for the video. This is our Henry 44 Magnum. It is a lever action, and as you guys can see, it has a little bit of discoloration on the barrel here with some surface rust, and we're going to use some gun oil and some steel wool. I use the superfine steel wool to do this, and I want to go ahead and say, please make sure before cleaning any firearm that you make sure it's not loaded. So as you can see, the chamber is cleared, and I have also removed the tube and checked it. My tube is back here. So this gun is safe and ready to go. And the first thing we want to do is we want to take our gun oil. We just use the Breakthrough, the Battleborn lubricant and protectant. I will leave a Amazon affiliate link to it in the description box below so you can get yours if you need it. We're going to take this and we're going to put it on the rust, and we're going to let it soak 15 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it with the steel wool. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our oil and we're going to put it all over the surface rust. As you can see, there's quite a bit of surface rust here, and what we're going to do is we're going to soak it in the oil all up and down this barrel, and we're going to let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, and then we're going to come back and we are going to hit it with the steel wool. First, what I'm going to do, as you guys can see, I have put quite a bit of oil. I'm going to rub it in a little bit with a paper towel. I usually use 100% cotton rags, but I don't really have any on hand right now. So, and what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit for a while, and then we're going to come back and we're going to hit it, like I said. See that surface rust there? We're going to hit it with a steel wool, and then we're going to do another cleaning, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So right now I'm just going to apply the oil, and then we'll go from there. Let's get to it. That one's really bad. It's not too deep though. Surface rust is superficial rust that just lives on the surface. Okay, we're going to hit these two. I'm just getting that right here. And we're going to let that sit, and then we're going to come back. Okay, so we're going to take our steel wool and we are going to put a little bit more oil on the gun here, and we're just going to work it around to make sure there is no surface rust on any of it. And then we're going to give it a really good, thorough wipe down. Do not go in circles. It will scratch the bluing on your gun here. So you just want to keep it just lines. Now this is a hunting rifle, so you're going to see some scuffs and stuff on it. It's been took out in the woods a few times, so that's why it's all scuffed up in spots. And the stock has scratches on it, because it has been used in the woods. So I'm just going to work that rust out of it, and that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to do this all the way down the barrel, and then we're going to flip it and do the other side. Be sure that you use the superfine steel wool, because the other one is a little bit more coarse and more rough, and it will eat the blue off of your rifle or your firearm. So I recommend using the super fine one. It's It's a lot more gentle, but it gets the job done. Okay. And you want to make sure that you get in there and get all this pulled up, because that will cause the rust to just come back. Too much oil is not a good thing for your rifle or your firearm, so you want to make sure that you get all that off. And now we're going to work on this side. You can see the scuff. That is from out in the woods. And if you need to, you can take a Q-tip and get down in between here and clean that residue out of oil and whatever else might be in there. That's what I do. I'm going to go ahead and get a Q-tip, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So I have a Q-tip, and I'm just going to take it, put it in here, and I'm going to get that built up oil out of there. That way it does not rust. And then I am going to show you guys so you can see some pulled up right here. And we're just going to take our Q-tip. You can be a little rough with the Q-tip. It's not going to hurt it. And we want to just do a wipe down and get all the excess oil off of it. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So I just finished cleaning off this surface rust. And as you guys can see, there is none on it now. That scuff was already there from the woods. As you can see, I have thoroughly cleaned it. Let me flip it over. And as you can see, there's a little here. It's very hard to get it off of that, but I did the best I could. I did get it off the screws, but right there's a little. I have to hit that again. This one's clean now. If you come down the barrel, you notice all that surface rust from earlier is not there. And I hope this video helps you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if there's anything you want to add, how you get surface rust off your firearms, please leave it in the comments below, because it helps all of our followers out, and we want that gun-based community where everybody can help each other. But be sure to check out all of our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.